Now, let's bring you this one. The case against two police officers accused of murdering an ANC councillor has been postponed to next year. Lethiwe Mdluli was killed in September at his fiance's home in Mvuchini village near Margate. It's believed the murder is linked to a dodgy local water project worth billions of rand. The officers appeared in the Port Shepstone Magistrates Court. eNCA reporter Lethiwe Mdluli joining us now with more and an update on this story. Lethiwe, good afternoon. Welcome to Today. Thank you very much for your time. So tell us what happened in court.
Well, but then it was a very short court appearance by the two police officers that are accused of killing Lethiwe Mdluli and another gentleman by the name of Lethiwe. They made a short appearance today and they have opted to abandon their bail application. The state also indicated that they needed further time to investigate. So the matter was then postponed to the 19th of January next year. As you correctly pointed out, Lethiwe Mdluli was killed back in September, and his murder sent shockwaves in his area in Umkomazi, because his family was saying that he had been very vocal about a local water project that is currently taking place in Umkomazi, which is worth billions. Apparently, Mdluli had been vocal about the corruption and also tender processes that were happening in that water project. And shortly after that, there were some people who were following him, and then he was shot and killed outside his fiance's home near Margate. So the family has been calling for justice since September, and also the ANC here in the province, they went to visit the family back in September. And now these two police officers have been arrested and they made their first appearance in this case. But we do understand that there's another case where they are facing murder charges as well, relating to two gentlemen that were killed back in August. So basically these two police officers seem to be hired hitmen in that area of the South Coast. We managed to speak to the family a bit earlier on, who were present today at the Port Shepstone Magistrate Court, to get their reaction to the arrest and also to the postponement of the case and them abandoning bail. And Mdluli's brother spoke to us and he says that they're very pleased with the fact that these two gentlemen will be spending their Christmas behind bars. And they are also relieved as a family because they are now fearing for their lives. The brother also did mention that one of the police officers that was arrested and who appeared in court today, Braden, is actually known to the family. They grew up with Lethiwe Mdluli, who he allegedly murdered back in September. So the family is very shocked, and they are saying that for now they're living in fear because they don't know what is going on, and they are saying that they're very disappointed to learn that one of the people that they know as a family is involved in this murder case. While speaking to the brother a bit earlier on, this is what he had to say.
Thina sicela nje uminitha ubhekicela uminister ukuthi aphenye ngempela lapha eMkhomazi ukuthi kwenzekani lapha, ngoba kahle kahle asathembi lutho eMkhomazi manje into eyipolice station, ngoba kungcono ukuthi mhlawumbe noma nomphathi station waseMkhomazi ukafika zobona ama families abuza ukuthi ni right kwashathu manje asithembi lutho kahle kahle manje.
So there's a lack of trust there, Lethiwe. So what will be next? I mean, the sense you are getting that the family can do, are they fearful as well?
They are saying that they're fearing for their lives because they don't know who to trust in the area, seemingly because this police officer was someone that they knew. They are also calling for justice. There were members of the ANC in Umkomazi who were present today in court, and we did manage to have a few words with them, and they were saying that they're calling for justice, and they are hoping that these two police officers will remain behind bars and they will not be granted bail. But moving forward, Braden, we are expecting for these two police officers to apply for bail when they make their next court appearance on 19 January 2023, and the family is saying that they're hoping that they won't be given bail because they're scared of them. And of course they are facing charges of murder in another case. In that case, I'm not too sure when they'll be making their court appearance, but they are facing two separate murder charges on two separate cases. So moving forward, we will be seeing them at the Port Shepstone Magistrate Court next year in January.